Welcome to Daiwik. My name is Daiwik, and today I'm going to teach you a project that is called 3D sculpture. Yeah. Now see all the materials we need for making this project. First, we need white paper, of course, and then 3 different kinds of round objects, but they need to be like different sizes. For this is small, this is medium, and this is big. So actually we need scissors, of course, yeah. Many projects need scissors and pencils. Yeah, that's important too. And the most important one is color papers. You can use any color you want, but the maximum amount of papers is 3 papers. That's it, okay? Now let's get started. First, let's use the blue paper and use a big one, and then get the pencil and do like this. Ta-da! Now let's cut it up. Now we have this one. Let's fold it. Yeah. And then cut it like this, like this, but do not do like that. You need only to do it like this, okay? Now we're done with one. Now let's do the orange one. The orange is for the medium. Do the same thing as this one. And go. The last one. For the last one, we need a small one. For my last one is the yellow one. Hey, yellow! Yeah! Matching colors. Now let's cut it. Fold it up. And then cut it the same way. The orange and blue dude. Baby paper. Okay, baby paper. Now we forgot to cut the white paper. Oh yeah, the big ones, yeah. See? Ta-da! Now we don't need this anymore. Now we're done with white paper and the papers. So first, this is what we're doing now. This is what we'll do. First, we need to put the papers into small, big to least. So, big to small, and then do like that, and then do like this, okay? And yeah. Do like that. Man, it's almost ripped. Okay. And like that. And we're done with this one, but we can do more, right? Let's do it. That's 6 sets. Now, let's put these 5 sets here. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the? Sorry for that. Now let's do like that. Did it. I did it, yeah! Yay! Now let's do the rest. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Did I do it? Oh. I did it. Yay! Okay, 3 more to go. Ta-da! See? This is my 3D sculpture. You can do any shape like this, but you can do more like triangles, arrows. You can do like that, okay? You can do anything, your wish. Yeah. You can't, you didn't need to follow mine. Yeah. Be creative. Yeah. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time.